So, you want to become a game developer. Whether you're dreaming of building the next big indie hit or just want to create something cool for fun, you're in the right place. But here's the thing, getting started in game dev can feel overwhelming. What engine do you want to use? What should you learn first? How do you actually finish something? In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 most important pieces of advice for new game developers. These are lessons I wish I had known earlier, and if you apply them, I guarantee you'll level up faster and avoid some painful mistakes. Also, remember that this list is based on my experience, so let's jump into it. Number 1. Start small, really small. I know you're excited, you've got an epic idea, maybe a massive open world RPG, a multiplayer shooter, or the next Stardew Valley. But here's the truth. Your first game should be small, and by that I mean tiny. Maybe like a clone of a Pong, or a simple platformer, a top-down game with one enemy, something you can finish in a week or two. But why is that? Because game development isn't just about creativity. It's about problem solving, debugging, and most importantly, finishing. When you start small, you learn the full dev cycle quickly. You can build confidence and you avoid burnout. Your dream game will still be there when you're ready, but earn your way up to it with smaller wins first. Number 2. Pick one engine and stick with it. It's a very common question. If you should use Unity, Godot, Unreal, Scratch, or maybe Game Maker. It's easy to get stuck on your first step, which is picking the best engine. Here's the advice. Pick one engine and commit to it for at least 3 to 6 months. If you're just starting, Godot is great for 2D and lightweight 3D. It's open source and beginner friendly. Unity has a huge ecosystem and a huge amount of tutorials. Unreal is best if you're aiming for high fidelity graphics or industry level projects. The visuals that you can reach with Unreal are very high. And here you may ask, what did I pick? And I did pick Godot as I really like the node structure. I enjoy GDScript, and after trying a couple of game engines, Godot was the one that let me make the most amount of progress in the shortest period of time. That's why I picked it. But feel free to choose something else. The key isn't which engine you pick, it's sticking to it long enough to get good. Engine hopping will only slow you down. Number 3. Focus on the core gameplay first. A lot of beginners spend weeks on unimportant things before they even have a working game. You need to ask yourself, what's the one mechanic my game is built around? Start with that. Build a prototype and make sure it's fun. If you're making a platformer, get jumping and movement feeling good. If it's a puzzle game, make one level with the main mechanic working. Everything else, menus, polishing, sound, comes after that. Often great games are built around simple, well-executed core ideas. Don't get lost in the extras before the basics work. Number 4. Share your journey early. Don't wait until it's perfect. A lot of new devs think they need to wait until their game is amazing before they show it to anyone. But the truth is that people love following the process and they can help you with it. Different game developers can improve your current direction of the game, show you better paths, and maybe give you some ideas to make it even better than you already have it in your mind. Even your friends can give you some advices, show you the points that they are getting bored or they stopped understanding what's going on. Be aware that people love to see the journey, not just the polished end results. So often they can boost your confidence in your project. Number 5. Have fun, be patient. Game development is not easy. It's often frustrating. Things break, code won't compile, your art might look bad. But it's also one of the most rewarding creative experiences. You can build everything that you have in your mind and show that to different people, making it like an interactive art. So enjoy the process, celebrate small wins, and don't rush. And remember, everyone was a beginner once. Even your favorite developers probably started with something easy like their own version of Pong. If this helped you out, please like the video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what kind of game do you want to make this year? And until the next time, keep building, keep learning, and keep finishing your games. Also, you can check out my steps in my devlog here.